got new messages in your mailbox.
Kind HM 750T, most powerful low-speed, high-torque servo motor. 750-watt full power, max 7.9 Nm high torque, 100% copper coil and quality components. Optimum PC board and sinusoidal wave drive, saving 60 to 80% electricity energy. Stable speed control and multi-output signal. Two-stage speed control. Unique upper and lower needle positioner. Kinetic dynamic sewing system. Can sew very slowly, either stitch by stitch, for precise stitches. Reduce electricity consumption by 60% to 80%. By saving money on electricity bills, the cost of the motor can be recovered within the first 2 to 3 years of operation.